Hi everyone, welcome to ERP System tutorial written by Islam Ibrahim from Modern Business Solutions, MBS Company. Journal entries in an ERP system are used to record financial transactions that are not generated by other modules in the system, such as sales, purchases, and inventory. Journal entries can be used to record a wide variety of transactions, such as opening balances, adjusting entries, transfer entries, non-recurring expenses and income, bank deposits and withdrawals, contra entries, reversing entries. To create a journal entry in an ERP system, you will typically need to specify the following information: the date of the transaction, the journal type, the account numbers being debited and credited, the amount of the transaction, a reference number or description of the transaction. Once you have entered all of the required information, you can submit the journal entry for processing. The ERP system will then update the general ledger and other financial reports with the new transaction information. Journal entries are an important part of any accounting system, and ERP systems make it easy to record and process journal entries efficiently and accurately. Let's see how to get this page. First, select Accounting menu. Under General Ledger module, click on Transactions. Then click Journal Entries to be in Journal Entries search page. In the search page, the first column shows a cardinal number sorting the recorded journal entries in descending order from newer ones to older ones. The second column represents the serial number. The third column shows journal entry creation date. Next column show the depot that this journal entry belonged to. The next column shows reference number that may be used to mention an internal serial for this entry. Next column shows remarks or the written description for this entry. The last column shows the journal entry equivalent amount in local currency. So, search pages in MBS ERP system are similar to each other. Consequently, we will explain how to work with search pages quickly here. First, the text box on your left hand is used for quick search. It means you may use it to search by a desired search keyword, exact case, or any of contents. Thus, the system will get all matching data from the server. Second, the text box on your right hand is used for quick search as well, but search scope will be in data shown only, which means it searches in the shown results that has already gotten from database. Both of text boxes on your right hand and on your left hand you can use it to search for any. So it may be a serial number, journal entry date, or remarks, and so on. But if you need more search criteria, you have to click on Advanced Search Options. It will open an accordion shows many criteria that you may use for searching, such as from date to date, journal type, voucher type, journal enter serial number, or even accounts used inside an entry, and so on. That was a quick tour in journal entry search page. And now let's see how to create a new journal entry. In order to create a new journal entry, you have to click on Create New green button, and after the creation page appears, in Journal Entry General Info tab select date that you want to create the journal entry in. Select journal type, so it may be in General Journal, Cash, Bank, or Settlement Journal according to the transaction type that you want to create, and then you have to select voucher type, whether it's cash receipt, cash payment, or any of the other listed voucher types. So for example, let's say we want to create a journal entry for cash receipt. Thus, after selected the date that we want to create the journal entry in, we will select cash as journal type and select cash receipt for voucher type. And if we have any supporting notes, we will type it in Remarks section. Then we will move to Journal Entry Details tab to list account orientation. So click on the Add button to add a new detail. For example, here will be accounts receivable. And it's preferable to choose also a sub-account like this. Then we type the amount and currency. And if you have any supporting description, you may also type in description section what you want. Click Save button. So you created the debit side successfully. And to create the credit side of current journal entry, you will choose the second side orientation. For example, will be treasury by the same amount, because the system check for balance before saving a journal entry. And the most important, this you have to uncheck the check mark beside the amount when you add an account for credit side. so the system will understand it a credit side account orientation. After you successfully added the credit side, click Save this button to save whole entry.
Do you want to post entry?
Before we leave, I want to say important things. You have the native
Saved
right
successfully.
once you have the sufficient permissions or privileges to post journal entry, void journal entry, or even delete it. And if you want to reverse journal entry at any time, just click on Reverse Entry button after selecting the desired date for reversing. To print
Do
a
you
journal
want to
entry,
reverse current,
just
reverse
click on the
successfully?
small arrow beside the printing button and choose whether you want to print an English version or Arabic version. So
Please
that was a
choose
quick
whether you want to
tutorial
print
in journal
English version
entries.
or Arabic
The
version.
next video will talk about journal entry posting section. So dear gents, thanks for listening and have a great day.